the beginning of the word of the Lord by Hosea. And the Lord said to Hosea, Go, take unto thee a wife of whoredoms, and children of whoredoms, for the land hath committed great whoredom, departing from the Lord. Seriously? I mean, how could God ask that of him? It sounds like a prescription for heartbreak, doesn't it? But you know what? Love is always a prescription for heartbreak. Because love never asks, hey, is this going to benefit me? Is this going to turn out well for me? Love just looks at the other and says, this is what they need. And this is what I'm determined to give them, my love. And Hosea gets to taste a little bit of Yahweh's experience of love rejected, but then love restored. And that is going to be a major theme of this book. If you're watching this on Facebook or YouTube, just click the links below to hear more.